Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up.
This created this enormous confusion in the advertising community, okay? Which is good for us. Actually, I took advantage of that because where people were panicking, I was jumping all over that, and I realized that it became actually a better opportunity for us because people thought that it was something that was damaging the platform. What Facebook did was that they actually, in 2018, started adjusting their algorithm to make sure that the organic content that people are posting, friends, family, and brands, that friends and families are senior over brands. So that meant that you as a brand, as an advertiser, now even more than in 2014, had no choice but to learn how to advertise on the platform. The organic game of being able to create this incredible organic monster snowball machine for your brand was over. If you only depend on organic content, then you were going to die. In my case, I kept on surviving. In my brand's case, we kept on surviving because we focus on creating advertising monster, meaning that we focus on giving money to Facebook so they can continue to help us find our customers. Facebook was not going to change that algorithm. Remember, Facebook's money comes from directly advertising. That's how they make their dollars. Over 95% of Facebook's revenue is advertisers like you and me that actually give them money to advertise on their platform. Remember, they are an actual publicly traded corporation, which means that they need to make money. Do you think that they are going to sacrifice the money that they're making? No. Everything that they do, all the changes that they do, all the updates that they do them to protect their user experience so the users stay on the platform so the advertisers can actually advertise their products and services in it. Because if users jump off the platform, Facebook dies. That's what you guys gotta understand. It's important for them to actually have users feeling comfortable and happy with the platform, being engaged. And trust me, they have done so, and they have done so very well. No matter what pandemonium we're going through, no matter what noise, no matter what's going on out there, guys, people are still actively using the platform. 2.4 billion people almost are using the platform actively every single month. So the numbers don't lie. Facebook keeps on expanding and it keeps on being a power player. But you need to somehow understand that your brand and business has to carry with it a combination of organic content and paid advertising for that organic content. And the reason that I'm talking to you about this right now is because I also want you to get ready for a process that is going to repeat itself with the platform that we call Instagram. Remember, Instagram is owned by Facebook. Facebook bought this company for next to nothing, for peanuts, several years ago, and it's now a monster. Instagram is estimated to generate $14 billion, B with a boy, in 2019 through advertisers. Today in Instagram, in January, as I'm recording this right now with you guys in 2019, the organic reach is still really damn good. You can have an organic profile that has 25%, even 30%, in some cases more if you're really good. Organic reach. That's going to disappear at some point this year.